Raksha Bandhan. It is important for children to understand the real meaning of festivals so that they can learn to value relationships. Gattu Chinky are very excited to go to their aunt's house. Mom had promised that they would definitely celebrate Raksha Bandhan with Neetu Didi this year. Gattu is packing a gift for Neetu Didi.
Gattu, you have got gift for me too, right? I'm very excited. What are you giving me this year? Sorry, Chinky. This year I could afford a gift only for Neetu Didi. Didn't get much money from piggy bank this time. What are you saying, Gattu? I want a gift. I have bought a Rakhi engraved with your favorite cartoon. I won't show it now. It's a surprise. Oh God, but I'm really sorry, Chinky. I won't be able to give you a gift.
Chinky got angry and started helping her mom to lift the bag. But then, Chinky threw the bag in anger.
Keep the bag properly, Chinky. What happened to you? Mom, I think Gattu doesn't love me anymore. Oh, don't say that. Today is the festival of love between brother and sister. Yes, but I feel like that only, Mom.
Exhaling air from her nose, Chinky hopped onto the auto rickshaw and sat down. Gattu Chinky reached their aunt's house with mom. Gattu and Chinky hugged their aunt and Neetu Didi as soon as they arrived.
Gattu, Chinky, let's go. I have bought lots of chocolates for you.
In the afternoon, Gattu is following mom.
Gattu, what are you doing? You won't get chocolate anymore. I don't want chocolate, Mom. I haven't brought gift for Chinky. I wasn't able to deposit much money, Mom. I told you to increase my pocket money. Gattu, don't talk about pocket money, as it is not necessary to have money for a gift. Mom, if I don't give a gift, will anything happen? Gattu, tell me one thing. Would you like it if Chinky doesn't tie Rakhi to you this year? The custom of festivals is to express your love, son. Got it, Mom. But give me some ideas. You are Chinky's brother. You have to think.
Mom asks Gattu to leave and she got busy with her own work. Gattu went and sat beside Neetu Didi.
What is the matter, Gattu? Why are you so tensed? There's a problem, Didi. I have not brought any Raksha Bandhan gift for Chinky. I have no money. Never mind. You can give my gift to Chinky. And my little small brother, a gift is a gift. And you can give me a 1 rupee chocolate instead. No, Didi. After lot of brainstorming, I bought this gift for you. Now what should I do? Gattu, think of something that would cost her money and Chinky will also feel happy. What gift can I give?
On the other hand, aunt is making honey puffs for Gattu and Chinky.
Aunt, why are you not making laddus? Do you know how much I like besan laddus? Kiddo, I do send gram flour laddus every now and then. Gattu loves these honey puffs. So I have made it for him today. Today is the day for brothers, no?
Hearing this, Chinky left from there slamming her feet. Gattu listened to the whole thing from outside the kitchen. He went to their aunt.
Aunt, please make laddus. Chinky loves them. But kiddo, you don't like laddus at all? No, but aunt, please make laddus. Please.
Neetu Didi sees Chinky angry.
Hey girl, don't be angry like this. Tell your Didi what happened to you. Gattu will not give me gift this year. He didn't bring anything for me. Hey Chinky, don't get angry for not getting gift. Didi, I'm not angry for the gift. I'm angry because of aunt's words. She said today is Gattu's day. That's why she is not making laddus. That's all. Come on. I will tell my mom to make laddus for my sugar plum Chinky. No, Didi, it's fine. Today is not my day. What happened, Chinky? Did you got angry for the laddus? Hey, today is a festival and you are sitting here being angry? Then why did they make me angry on this festival?
Neetu Didi starts tickling Chinky.
Let me get to know what my dear Chinky wants.
Neetu Didi somehow lighted up Chinky's mood. In the evening, mom and aunt together decorated the aarti plate to tie Rakhi. Neetu Didi tied Rakhi to Gattu. Gattu gave a lovely box to Neetu Didi. Neetu Didi became happy. Now Chinky ties Rakhi to Gattu. but Chinky is upset.
So, Gattu, what are you giving to Chinky as a gift?
Chinky is standing there all upset. Gattu stood up and got a box from the kitchen. And he handed the box to Chinky as a gift.
Oh wow, besan laddus. But Aunt made honey puffs, didn't she? Yes, Chinky, but I asked Aunt to make besan laddus. So tell me, did you like your gift? Wow, Gattu, you thought well, son. Gift doesn't mean buying something very expensive. Anything which is given in love is considered as best gift. Yes, Mom, I got it. Every year I will give such gifts to Chinky. My money will also be saved.
Everyone started laughing.
Gattu, Chinky, do you know the real meaning of Raksha Bandhan? Yes, we get good gifts. Am I right? It's not just that, Chinky. Every year, brother protects his sister, so special sweets are made for him. In short, he is being praised so that he may protect his beloved sister in the coming years also. Well said, Neetu. Brothers show his love by giving gift to sisters so that there will always be love between both of them. Then you are my brother from now because you have made these laddus. Gattu had told me to make it. Gattu doesn't like laddus at all. Then today is your day too, Chinky. Oh, okay. Well, that's why Aunt said that today is Gattu's day. Understood. Then it's okay. Chinky, come on. You have to return all my toys as soon as we go home. The chocolates given by Neetu Didi too. No way. Chinky. Okay. But thank you so much, Gattu. Happy Raksha Bandhan, my dear brother.
Everyone laughed at Chinky's innocence.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें